Hi fams, welcome to another video on Neatech. Now in this new video, we're going to be looking at how to deactivate push notifications on Instagram. Now you'd want to click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner of the screen, and just halfway down the options you see notifications. Just go ahead and click on that, and from here you see the pause all options, so just go ahead and toggle that on. Alright, so as soon as you toggle it on, you see this pop-up that says you won't get push notifications, but you'll be able to see new notifications when you open Instagram. So you'd want to select the range of time to block push notifications on Instagram, and you can see the options that are listed below. There's 15 minutes, there's 2 hours, there's 4 hours, there's 8 hours, and there's 1 hour. So just go ahead and select the hours as appropriate, and once done, you can exit your Instagram account. So for the next range of time you selected, you are not gonna get any push notifications on Instagram, unless when you revisit the app, then you get push notifications that you might have missed. That's how to go about it. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.